Most med spa owners run the wrong math on a frontline install. They compare a subscription to a salary, decide it is close, and move on. That is the wrong problem. The real return has three inputs, and salary is barely one of them. Input 1, the revenue already leaking out. A premium med spa misses up to 35% of its calls during business hours because the people who answer phones are running treatments. Take a representative practice, 240 calls a month, a 35% miss rate, 40% of answered calls booking, a $600 ticket. The leak floor is about $20,000 a month. Annualized, $241,000. That is before lifetime value. Input 2, the share you can actually recover. A zero-miss intake install moves the answer rate from about 65% to over 97%. On that same practice, infrastructure recovers $15,000 to $17,000 a month, around $190,000 a year. Input 3, the honest cost. A $99 commodity tool answers questions and takes a message. Cheap, and it recovers almost nothing because it does not book against your calendar, anchor a deposit, or reactivate a dormant patient. Real revenue recovery infrastructure, installed against your scheduling system with a business associate agreement in place, costs materially more. It also produces the recovered revenue. The comparison was never subscription against salary. It is installed cost against recovered leak. Run those three and the payback window lands inside 60 to 90 days. Year one return for most premium practices sits between 400 and 800%. And that ignores two things the spreadsheet never shows. A recovered $600 visit is a $7,800 lifetime client. And your coordinator stops triaging phones and goes back to the patient in the room. Staff elevated, not eliminated. If you want your own number instead of an industry average, request an intake leak audit at thethinkingrobot.com or talk to Rosie directly at 720-776-1664. We pull your call records, model the leak against your ticket, and hand you back a one-page figure, about 30 minutes.